up? It's your boy Saint, back up here at Half Moon Bay on tour. Thought I'd bring you guys that little freestyle I promise. Check it out. Yo. Last time I was on tour, I found this place, Half Moon Bay. Now I'm back here and I'm feeling great. On this beach, smoking weed, sipping out this drink. Then I'm gonna head up to that brewery. Yes, Lagunitas. Yeah, I drink ya. You got some bitches and Saint would love to meet you. Doing nothing but hanging with my buds, rolling something up, cause that's the only way I like my shit up. Yes, so go ahead and kill that track and play it back. That little replay button, you can click that, cause I'm always here to fucking kill the mic all night. And every time I rep that shit, it be limelight. Or Saint, cause that's my own damn brand. And I'm the man when I'm chillin', floating on top this sand. Yeah, so go ahead and hit me up, and we can always chill and kill the track and fucking burn one up until it's dust. One more time, shout it out. Half Moon Bay, man, that's the place I like to get loud now. Always up on some North Cal shit. This is where the fuck that you can find Saint the Kid. Word up. Shout out to my boy Life for having me out. My boy The Real Word Sound, crossing 2 tours. The Get a Life tour and the Level Up 2 tour. You guys can catch me back down in SoCal, ripping shit up with both of them. We got a nice festival coming up, Till the Sunrise Festival. Check it out, 3-day camping experience. TillTheSunrise.com.